Good evening, Chanakya. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, so first we learn what is skeletal system and their parts.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will write them.
Yeah.
So I'm taking out my notebook. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so I think I'm audible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be starting with a new chapter, which is the skeletal system. All right. So I think few of the things you have already learned in the grade, I think 4. So what do you know about it? What is skeletal system according to you 3?
Ma'am,
What it is?
Ma'am,
Wait, 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 wait. What? Wait. Wait, Chiranjay, wait. Advik, you answer first and then we'll move to Chiranjay and Advik. Yeah, tell me, Advik.
Ma'am, it is a framework present in a body that helps us to stand, sit, bend, and do other activities in a daily basis.
Okay, good. Chiranjay, tell me now.
Ma'am, the framework of bones that give us supporting structure to our body is called a skeleton.
Okay, good. Advik, according to you, what is skeletal system?
Ma'am, a framework of bones that are present inside our body is called skeletal system. It helps us to do various activities such as sit, stand, etc. Ma'am, it
Correct.
also
So, you all. Hmm?
Ma'am, it
Yes.
also protects our internal organs.
Correct, correct. It also protects the internal organs. So, skeletal system, as you all mentioned, that it is a framework. Framework means a particular kind of structure. Fine, like we have the 2 ears, we have 2 hands, 2 legs, we have. So, like this, a proper framework we have. Like if you are in the grade 5, so for grade 5, there will be a proper book will be there, right? With chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like this. So, that is what is a framework, right? Same way, in our body also, we have a framework which gives us actually capability to stand upright or to bend. And how the bending will happen? It happens because of the joints which are present in our body. So with this skeletal system, now for example, like if we do not have the skeletal system, then what happens? How we will be like? Then someone can dry us and someone can hang us, right? If we do not have any kind of the bones and other things or the system and all, in that case, anyone can dry us like this and then hang us. Yadve?
Ma'am, we will like a statue.
Right, right. So we will not be able to do any of the activities, whatever like we are doing, writing, speaking. Children, just give me 1 minute. So that is what the skeletal system is. Okay, the framing work of the body, and it will be providing the protection also to the different kinds of the organs. So in our body, we have the heart, we have the lungs, we have the other organs also. So to them, they will be giving what? They will be giving the protection. So I'll share my screen.
Well,
Is my screen visible to you all, children?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Is it okay? So the chapter name is Skeletal and the Muscular System.
ma'am.
So definition of the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a, yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am? The power went, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, Chiranja, you are audible. So skeletal system is a framework of the body consisting of bones and other connective tissue. So in our body, in our skeletal system, what will be there? The bones will be there, and the other types of connective tissue. Connective tissues are the tissues which help in connecting different parts of the body or different organs of the body. Okay, tissue which help in connecting different parts or different organs of our body. So that is what is the connective tissue. So skeletal system is a framework of the body consisting of bones and other connective tissue which protects and support the body tissues and internal organ. So with the help of the skeletal system, it will be protecting and it will be supporting the body tissue and the internal organs. So internal organs are different, like lungs, we have inside the body, we have lungs, we have the heart. So they will be getting protected by the skeletal system. Now human skeletal consists of the 206 bones. So we humans have how many bones? We have the
206.
206 bones.
zero.
Your voice.
So a child who is just maybe a newborn baby is there, they will also have 206 bones in them. No, how many bones?
Ma'am, around 300.
Around 300. Okay, so somewhere between 250 to 300 bones will be there in them. But what happens
Ma'am,
slowly and gradually? Yeah, tell me,
ma'am,
Sanjay.
302 has, ma'am, baby has a
Depends.
302 bones because, ma'am, depends on 302 bones because when we see they are different from others like hind limbs. When we see that it is different part, ma'am, but when we grow up, they become to get joint and then they start to move.
Correct. So what happens though the number of bones are much in them? What happens slowly and gradually when they grow up? The number of bones will get attached to each other in them. And because of that, when they become an adult, the number of 300 bones will get reduced to just 206 bone because they will be merging together, they will be joining together.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, a skeletal system in the body system, it composes system. We have two more things. One is the bone, one are the bones, and the second one are the cartilages. So, Advay, can you tell me where the cartilages are present? Where the cartilages are present, Advay? Hmm? So, cartilages basically they are the soft bones. If you touch your ear, you will be feeling that it is very soft. So why it is soft? It is because they have the soft bone called as the cartilages. Then in our ear, in our nose also we have this cartilages. So cartilages, what they are? They are the
Ma'am,
soft
cartilage.
bones. Whereas when we talk about the bones, yeah,
Ma'am, I got left in the meeting, ma'am. What did you say once?
I said I was talking about the cartilages. Cartilages, they are the soft tissues which is present in the ears, which is present in our nose. Okay, they are not hard as like the. They are not hard. They are not very hard. They are
Ma'am,
soft in nature.
cartilage.
Yeah.
Ma'am, a cartilage is a robust and vessel. My cartilage is a robust connective tissue that can be found in joints, between joints, the ribcage,
You are Chandy, you're talking about
intervertebral.
so many different things, but in a very simple
Yes,
language, they are the soft tissues. Okay, they are the soft tissues. Like bones, when we talk about bones, they are very hard, but these cartilages, they are soft, and because of the softness, they can be bent easily. Okay, so now this bones and cartilages, and they perform the prefacilate movement. So this skeletal movement, what they will be doing, they will be helping in the movement. So whatever the movement we do, if I am sitting here, if I want to go somewhere else, what I do, I will be taking my whole body with me. Same way, if you are seated there, if you want to go and drink water, you will go there, you will walk and go. So it is because of the skeletal system you are able to do the movement. So the skeletal
Ma'am,
system, yeah.
we have to write the definition.
No, I'll give you time. Let me explain. I'll give you time to write it. So it supports the body facilitate movement. So in the movement, it will be helping us. The skeletal system includes all of the bones and joints in the body. So whatever the bones are there in our body and whatever the joints are there in our body, all will include in the skeletal system. Each bone is a complex living organ that is made up of many cells, protein fibers, and the minerals. So the bones which are there in our body, they are very complex and they are made up of many cells, many protein molecules in the fibers, and also the minerals. The skeleton act as a scaffold by providing support and protection for the soft tissues. So this skeleton, they will be giving the support and they will be giving the protection to the soft tissues. And that make up rest of the body. So because of this, our rest of the body will be also made up of. So this is what the skeletal system is. So write this first page, children, then we will be moving to the second page.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you do the screen a bit big? Ma'am?
I think someone has to mute. I think Chiranjeev, you have to mute yourself, I guess.
Ma'am, I was mute.
Ma'am, can you
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, can you show this?
Ma'am, can you show the screen, ma'am? It went
It is
out.
not okay. Let me see. The screen is not visible.
Ma'am, now it
And
is
now,
visible.
ma'am. Now it was
Just
visible.
wait. I think I'll share it again. How it is visible? I did not share it. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this first page you should complete and send the photo of it right away.
Ma'am, I have not done it.
Do it. Do it. No issues. You have the time. You can do it.
I cannot see your screen. Yes,
Let me.
ma'am.
Okay. Let me see what's the problem again.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you do the screen big?
Then just kindly mute yourself.
Ma'am, can you do the screen big?
This is the maximum I can do, Change from my side.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is better.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And write neatly, children. Done, children, till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Done? Shall we go for the next topic now?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
Ma'am, I already.
Okay, okay, write it, write it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Advai and Advik also done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm
so,
writing the last one.
okay, okay, write the last point then.
Ma'am, we have to write this, but write the one page only, na?
Yes, yes, yes. Now the next topic is the functions
Yeah.
of skeletal system. So what are the different feature or the function of the skeletal system? The first point, the skeleton gives shape and support to our body. We know it very well. With the help of the skeletal system, what happened? We will be getting a proper shape and proper support for our body. Second thing, it protects the soft internal organs. So whatever the internal organs are there, whatever the soft organ are there inside our body, the skeleton will protect them. Like the skull. So we have the brain. The brain is present in a kind of box called a skull. So the skull will be protecting the brain. Second thing, the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. So we have the rib cage. Inside the rib cage, the heart and the lungs will be protected. Third thing, the backbone. The backbone is protected in a spinal cord. So the brain is protected by the skull, the lungs are protected, lungs and the heart are protected by the rib cage, and the spinal cord will be protected by the backbone. Third thing, it allows the movement of different body parts. So because of the skeletal system, since the skeletal system has the bones and the joints, because of that, what happens? The movement can be there. So I can write, right? I can catch something, I can hold something, I can speak, I can walk. So these are everything. These are the different types of movement we can do it. And the last one, many bones in our body are hollow. So, in our body, some of the bones are hollow and they are filled with a jelly like substance called as bone marrow. So, inside the bones, it will be hollow and they are filled by the substance called as a bone marrow. So, blood cells are made in the bone marrow. Now the question is where the blood cells are made. So, blood cells are made where? They are made in the
Ma'am,
bone
blood cells
marrow.
are
Is a
inside a
correct.
Ma'am, bone
Ma'am,
marrow.
ma'am, today
Right.
I got today, ma'am, today I got my science exam sheet, ma'am.
How much you have got?
Ma'am, 37.5 out of 40.
Okay, very good. Adbe,
ma'am 40 out of 34.
40 out of
34.
34. 34, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good, Adbe. Very well done. That's very good. Okay. So these are the four different functions of the skeletal system. So write this heading and then write the points also. So write the heading functions of the skeletal system and write these 4 points. Chiranjay, kindly mute yourself. I think Chiranjay, you should mute.
Ma'am, I was on a mute. It's mute now.
Mute. You mute yourself. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, the marks have not yet acquired, ma'am, for science.
Yeah, I did not check the paper. I will be checking it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, others also completed. And children, for your this Sunday test, you will have the objective test, and only this 1.5 pages will be there. Okay, the first thing will be about the introduction of the skeletal system, which you have written just now on the first page. And the second thing will be functions of the skeletal system. So from these two topics, I will be giving you 10 MCQs.
Okay.
So I think you all can score full marks because only 1.5 pages will be there, right, to learn.
Yes.
Ma'am, this chapter will come on.
Yeah, this chapter will be there for the Sunday test. Only 1.5 pages. The first page, what you have written, and the second thing is the functions.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Okay, no problem. Advai, write it. Chiranjit, till then you can send me the photo of the notes.
Okay.
And Advik, if you have also completed, then send the photo of the notes. This is Advai's or Advik's?
Ma'am,
Advik, is this a new copy or the old one only?
Not only.
ma'am, I have made the new copy.
Because it should not be one
Ma'am,
thing
I
here,
have,
one thing somewhere else.
ma'am, I have sent you in the WhatsApp. Can you see?
Yeah, whose number this is now? Chiranjit?
Ma'am, mine's only.
Okay. Okay, I have got from all three of you.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, today's homework will be tomorrow. I want you, and also I want to know from you all tomorrow about the joints. What are the different types of the joints and what is the function of them? Okay. So today's homework is to learn the 1.5 pages, and also you should tell me tomorrow about the joints. What are they? Where are they present? And what are the different examples of it? All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. But ma'am, one I have, ma'am.
Tell me.
What is voluntary? Something voluntary.
Muscles.
Voluntary.
Voluntary
Ma'am,
muscles and involuntary muscles.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, what are the examples?
Voluntary muscles means which are under our will. Okay. It means we can
Okay.
control them. So if you want to write, you will write. It is up to you, right? So
Ma'am,
those are
can I
voluntary.
tell the
Yeah, tell me, Advai.
Ma'am, can I tell the
Yes, Advai.
example of
Yes, Advai. So involuntary means we cannot control, like a heart. Our heart is pumping, right? So can you control them? You cannot. Sneezing, can you control? You cannot. So such kind of the actions are called as the involuntary actions, and they are done with the involuntary muscles. Okay, Chanjay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, children, then we'll meet you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.